What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to the things that will bring it the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we try to stop terrorism, but we still get terrorists here living. In the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love. This will set us straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all. People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Para, help us and some guidance from above. These people get me questioning. Where is the love, the love, the love? It just ain't the same. Always have changed. New days are strange. Is the world the same? If love and space so strong, why are these pieces of love that don't belong? Nations trapped in bombs. Chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering as the youth die young. So ask yourself, is the loving really gone? So I could ask myself, really what is going on in this world that we live in? People keep on giving it, making wrong decisions or the visions of them dividends. Not respecting each other, deny their brother, a war is going on, but the reason is undercover. The truth is kept secret and swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Where's the love you'll come on? I don't really know. Where's the truth? Y'all, come on, I don't really know. People killing, people dying, children hurt, and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Para, help us, and some guidance from above. As people got me questioning, where is the love, the love, the love? What's up, Pilipinas Got Talent?